Hello and welcome to everyone who visited my channel. I completely understand the situation you're in right now. Your Samsung phone is stuck on that annoying Google account verification screen, and you're desperately looking for a way to bypass the lock. Most importantly, you want to do it without using a computer, just with your phone and your own hands. Believe me, not long ago, I was in exactly the same situation, and it was a real challenge. I had to roll up my sleeves and work hard to solve this puzzle. But I finally succeeded. I found a working method and managed to bypass the FRP lock. And now I'm ready to share this method with you so you can solve the problem too.
If you run into any difficulties, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to help you. I know that many of you are not programmers or hackers, and my method is designed specifically for ordinary people who only have a phone in their hands, not some powerful computer. Yes, I also understand how frustrating this is because your device is running Android 16. In older Android versions, there were tons of different tricks to bypass FRP directly from the phone itself. Methods using TalkBack or Google keyboard shortcuts worked perfectly before, but on Android 16, those old tricks are completely patched and no longer work at all. So you can safely ignore videos and websites that still recommend those outdated methods. They're just wasting your time. The biggest problem now is a new security feature introduced by Google. It strictly blocks apps that are installed outside the official Google Play Store and prevents them from getting the permissions they need to function properly. Because of this, almost all old manual FRP bypass methods are basically dead. Now, let me explain how I solved the issue. I used a free Chinese AI called DeepSeek. Why DeepSeek specifically? Because most other AI systems, including ChatGPT, are restricted from providing instructions about FRP bypass methods. They simply respond with something like, "Sorry, I can't help with that request." DeepSeek, however, gave me several possible solutions immediately. I simply asked, how can I bypass FRP on my phone, and included my Samsung model. It instantly generated multiple methods. I chose the one that looked easiest for a regular user, and then asked it to provide a step-by-step guide. DeepSeek explained every step in detail. Tap here, open this menu, type this command, and so on. I just followed the instructions carefully. Nothing too difficult. And whenever something didn't work correctly, for example, if the screen looked different or a command failed, I simply took a photo of my phone screen and uploaded it to DeepSeek. The AI analyzed the image and immediately explained what went wrong and what I needed to do next. And honestly, it worked surprisingly well. Of course, I could record a full tutorial video showing exactly how I did everything, but there's one important problem. The method that works today may become useless next month because Samsung quickly patches these unofficial bypass techniques. DeepSeek, however, constantly updates its information and can adapt to newer methods much faster. By the way, I also managed to repair my old iPhone using DeepSeek. Can you imagine that? A repair center told me the phone was impossible to fix and should just be thrown away. But after following AI-generated instructions, I actually managed to bring it back to life. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll always be happy to help however I can.